Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So today I wanted to do this pretty simple look with an inner pop of color. I was pretty inspired. I've been seeing looks like this pop up a lot on Pinterest and Twitter and whatever. So I think it's really pretty and it's a great way and simple way to spice up your everyday look. So I was inspired by that, and also I was inspired by Zara Larsson's new album. I believe it's called Poster Girl, and just the album art, which I'll pop up right here, it kind of combines like a classic, subtle, soft glam with pops of color. Like there's like this bright pink background she has on her album cover, and I really like all the songs on here. I've always been a fan of hers. So yeah, I was inspired by both those sources, and I kind of want to do a cover for you guys of one of the songs by her that I really like. It won't take too long, so I'll definitely make sure it's not the focus.
I don't get distracted this time.
Are you sure about that?
So here goes.
They tell me to let go, to never look back, that you're the wrong type. They don't know you the way that I do, the way that I do. You come from the wrong side of all the wrong tracks, but when they say that, I know for sure that I made the right move. I made the right move. Oh, whatever, I'd rather you chase. You might get lost or make a mistake, but I'm gonna leave you for it. You and I agree. We only gonna break up so we can make up. We got the real thing, we call it real life. Even the haters ain't gonna stop us. Baby, I'ma stick with you. We on the inside, they on the outside. We in a bubble with only good vibes. Nobody knows us the way that we do. Baby, I'ma stick with you.
Aren't you going to interrupt me? Sorry, I was kind of vibing to the music, but yeah, you should get back to your makeup tutorial because this is a makeup tutorial. I'm kind of surprised you let me sing for that long. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that rendition, and definitely check out our album. It's great. And stay tuned if you want to see how I create this simple pop of color eye look today. Okay, so the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. And today I actually used a new brow product. It's the Gimme Brow Gel from Benefit. And I'm not sure if I did it correctly, but I do feel like it is a lot more subtle and more natural looking than the Brownie eye pencil from Too Faced, but those are just some initial reactions. Anyways, the next step, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Decay Primer Potion. And then today, before that, I'm actually going to apply some tape as well, and then angle to the corners. And then today I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. I'm going to first use a foundational base shade of Cashew Chew. After that, I'm going to go ahead and do a gradient style application. So I'm going to go ahead and use Lancome Praline. It's like a transitional shade. For the shade closest to the lash line, I'm going to use dark truffle. And I'm actually going to highlight the inner thirds of the eye with Cafe a lot, as well as my brow bone. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the tape, and I'm going to bring some of these colors. So I'm going to bring some of the dark truffle to my lower lash line, and I'm going to go in with my MAC eye pencil and Teddy and just further add some definition to the lower lash line. And then next I am going to, this is a fun part, I'm going to apply some more primer potion to my inner corners, and this is just going to help when I apply that pop of pink to really stand out. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Totally Fetch and just apply that to the inner corners. Now the inner corners has this pop of pink, and now I'm going to go ahead and take my Stila liquid liner and draw a kin flick. Okay, so after I have gone ahead and lined my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and pop on the falsies. I'm going to be using my Idole Natural Lashes again. Okay, so after I have gone ahead and popped on the falsies, I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush. So I'm going to use my Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Flush Blush. And then I am going to go ahead and apply some highlighter as well. So today I'm going to be using my Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. I'm going to go ahead and use my Lancome Lait Absolute Rouge and Rose Amnesia. There you have it. This is the finished look. I think it's relatively quick and it's kind of an easy way to spice up your everyday look and introduce like this unexpected pop of color. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.